Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Brought something on Temu and it's not quite right. No worries, today I'll show you step by step how to return items on Temu. So let's get started. First of all, make sure your device is connected to the internet and open the Temu application. Make sure you have signed into your account, as you can see. Then at the bottom you'll see the U option. Click on it and your profile will open. Here you will see your orders option. Click on it. Here go to the orders and select the item you want to return. Tap return/refund and pick your reason. You can even upload photos. Choose whether you want a refund or a replacement. Download and print the free return label provided by Temu. Pack your item, attach the label and drop it off at the mentioned courier. Wait for Temu to confirm and your refund or replacement will be on its way. As you can see, there are not any orders. If you have orders, you can tap refund or return and you can write the reason, or also you can upload the photos. And that's it. Returning on Temu is super easy and free in most cases. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe and drop a comment if you have any Temu tips of your own. And I'll see you in the next one.